Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. This is part 2 of Macka Diamond versus Lady Ann. All right? Subscribe, like, share, comment, show that you care. Without further ado, let's hear what Lady Ann has to say. She's going to elaborate a little bit more.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Go and cleave it. Pick up yourself. Up myself. While other people them down tune in, me have a little matter more and discuss. Me have a little matter for discuss. Big up on yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everyone who are tuning in. One day them wanna share the life. Cause me have a little matter for your address. Yeah. I'm gonna address it real quick and then come off. Cause me don't really do live like that. But me just have a little situation more I address right now. Want everybody tune in. Alright, me have 10 people over here. Fine enough for me, 10 people are listening. I'm gonna share and tag a friend that live, yeah. Yeah. Alright. The death of Sister Charmaine. To the make 1 week make since Sister Charmaine die. Yeah. I me see a lot of female in the industry. Them do interview, them do this, them say RIP, them do all of them for do. But up to the time, me not see not one of them donate a penny. Yeah, because Sister Charmaine didn't have anything, because you know all the music business go for we, the veteran dancehall artists. In my idea, me in the music industry before Charmaine, when me come in the music, when me I come overseas, she come do a show, 150 US me get. When me I do a show in Jamaica, at 3,000 US, 3,000 Jamaican, yeah, me 3,300 Jamaican dollar me I get. Yeah, I will take it because we never understand the business and we never run down the money part of the business, and just the business part of the business. We just love the thing and we just take it for fun. Anyway, Spice, dancehall queen Spice, a little baby for me and Charmaine. We could have Spice reach out, yes, and she donate. And una bash her, but she never have to donate in a quiet. Yes, she donate $1,000, big me and that. No for the rest of female, them none of the male, them most of them not industry, not donate anything. None of them didn't donate anything. So a Spice, but come after we in the business, come and she donate. It's a good look. Spice donate is a good look. Whether me not care one say whether if Spice didn't even donate $10, we appreciate it. Cause you know why? She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. Yes, Spice better than the rest of them in the industry. Spice donate. Ask the rest of them how much them put. Ask the rest of them how much them donate. How much them put. Call the rest of female DJ them from me, my time, to Charmaine time, and ask them how much them donate. Charmaine didn't left no will. Charmaine didn't die left anything because she didn't have anything for left because them rob her everything. Now Spice come forth now as a little younger girl. We just come to the music donkey years after we. I hear about Sister Charmaine dead and she donate her money. If she didn't even donate $1, she's still better than the rest of them. If Spice didn't even donate $1, Spice better than the rest of them. Yeah, it upset me for see. Pinkwall, big up on yourself, you know, Pinkwall. You know, I rate Pinkwall, I'm a place. But for the people that over there, bass Spice, me upset. One year bass fight for. You know what should I say? Did the rest of female in the business donate? And that one should I say? Spice never have to donate anything, but she come forth and she did. You understand? Una give her some credit now, man. Give Spice some credit, man. She never have to donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money. And she give some for help birth Charmaine. And we thankful. The rest of them not do nothing. The rest of them just go do interview for promote for them own things. Did them do anything? Them not do any $1. Look how much female in the industry. Look how much of them we can call name. Look how much male in the industry. And a Spice alone. But yet still Spice show her gratitude and she donate. Don't do that, man. One over Pink Wall talk about she fi donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money. So she free for doing it anyhow she choose. Big up yourself, Spice. You're better than the rest, Spice. Me lady and the first lady at dance and endorse you. Big up yourself, Spice. Me no care nobody want to say you donate and that's all matter. That 1,000 more towards the 20,000 where we did a look. Yeah. So no make them break you down and you don't care what them chat say, Spice. You're better than the rest. Cause look out to them make 1 week since Sister Charmaine dead. How much of the female them donate something to her? None of them. None of them. Not one of them. Not one of them reach out to Charmaine daughter. All we hear us say them reach out to Charmaine daughter, lie them a tell. Not one of them. Not one of them. So, Pink Wall, like me say, big up on yourself and all of that. My real Pink Wall, like me say, Pink Wall, a female place. But, you do a bad Spice. What you for say? I don't know for say Spice should have done donate anonymous. For what? Spice work hard for her money. You don't think this music industry was full of Wobia nice? And one of them talk about Wobia, Spice I work Wobia. You don't pray me no comfort, you know. You know why me no comfort yet? Come load up the wall and water go like a Spice alone. I just chew my daughter in my skin. Cause any of my daughter never have my skin. All wall on one talk and I jump up like a Spice alone and walk over here. The wall of we blood clot walk over here. The wall of blood clot we go over here, man. The wall away. So stop one like you RT run out and a done Spice. Like Spice and the bad one alone. The wall of we guilty as mama blood clot charge. The wall of we guilty. The wall of we from the first to the pussy clot last. So stop one like a Spice alone did go. Uno go to. Uno don't make me come talk, you know. Uno go to. The wall of we go. The wall of we go and a Spice alone go. And Spice donate her good money, yeah? When you donate, when uno donate. Uno stop it, man. Pink Wall. Uno for big up Spice. Pink Wall, big up Spice. Cause Charmaine didn't die leave anything because she never have anything to leave because them rob her everything. But yet still Spice when her friend come forth as a co-worker at the dance hall and she donate. And that is a good look. And if she want to put up her name so she donate, nothing wrong. She better than the rest. The GoFundMe page is up there. Uno go look. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look how much female in the business. You see none of them come forth? No, not one of them come forth. So Spice, big up yourself. Like me say, me respect you and me rate you. Cause you better than the rest of them. You better than the rest of them. And all what you name now the pizza you walk over the whole of them walk over you. Don't feel guilty, I know you alone. And you for them wanna come to the light yet. And you me no come out from talk yet. But wait. What beyond to them? Wait. You not go like you no guilty, you not go like so on a slate cleaner than Spice one. No. It not cleaner than Spice one. The whole of mama blood clot later we go. The whole of we go at a point in our career. We go. So no stop it. go, you go, me go, she go, and he go too. Stop it. Stop it. But me come forth, cause me sip on pink wall. Them a go like Spice do something wrong. Spice no do nothing wrong. She do it. Stop say she should have go anonymous for what? One of should have said who is donate to Sister Charmaine burial. Sister Charmaine open the gate for a lot of them. Whole heap of them. No for the swing and the style where them in a Charmaine thing too. Did they donate? Did they call Kadisha and say condolence? No. No. They did not. They didn't. So Pink Wall, do the story again and say, so where the rest of female them there? Where the male them there? How much uno donate to Charmaine burial? That more I want to say. How much of them donate to Charmaine burial? Not one of them. Not one of them donate. I think Tana Steven donate. Yeah, Tana Steven donate too. But nobody has not donated in the industry as female. Some of the male them donate. Yeah, the male singer, veteran singer them. I don't know about the modern one them. Some of the male singers donate. But not for bad Spice. The rest of them should be ashamed. Spice donate and they don't. Me never hear Spice do not interview or talk nothing about Charmaine and them. She miss Charmaine and she this. No. The rest of them they do. The whole of them use Spice Charmaine dead for them own advantage. None of them not donate nothing. Not one of them. Not even a candy. Not even a nickel. So Pink Wall, it's a good look. Me rate Spice and me respect her for comfort and she donate. And that's all matters. She donate something so Charmaine can get a good look burial. At least she help for put on Charmaine good. So the dirty mouth when leader says she a drunk and junkie, no can say well she very good. Them have to go say she very good and because of Spice help she go very good. Yeah, and that me I say. So let's go and big up on yourself you know. And stop it. When you stop it, stop your blood clot shade. Cause the whole I know chew a pussy clot shade. But obia, the whole I know go. The whole I know. Don't make her do a next live and come phone, you know. Cause you go have to put out blood clot it for me. I said you don't want to put out no it for me. Let me pick them. When you love me, you know. I make my friend go in peace. When you done tear her down. Remember so no help who will be a Charmaine too, you know. Remember, you know. When you forgot. When you forgot, so you got to be a woman for Charmaine. You know what? My daughter over here tell me to leave it alone. I can leave it alone. All I want to say, Pink Wall, you have for me place. You know that for years, Pink Wall have a place. Don't say Spice should have donate anonymous. No. Spice free for donate any how she please her like. Cause guess what? She better than the rest. She donate. The rest of them never donate. So what? Big up on yourself. Big up all of the blogger them. Big up everybody for my life. And have a blessed day. Yeah, and that me say big up, give thanks.
All right, there you have it, listeners. Lady Hand has shown, made the world know, you know, our point of view on quite a few things. Believe me, part 3, we will hear Macka Diamond's response. So please like, subscribe, share, show that you care, and comment. And also, remember, I am Daddy Reds, and I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. More love, more life, more music. Dread out for now.